2025 Kia K4, starting at $23,045. The K4 is a stylish new compact sedan that replaces the outgoing Forte and slots in under the larger K5 family sedan in Kia's lineup. The K4 wears a fastback roofline that draws inspiration from the Stinger sports sedan and wide rear fenders that give the car a sporty stance. The base engine is the same 147 horsepower four-cylinder that powered last year's Forte. A 190 horsepower turbocharged 4 is exclusive to the top-rung GT line turbo trim. The K4 is slightly larger than the outgoing Forte, and Kia says the interior is roomier, particularly for rear seat riders, aligning it with other compact sedans such as the Honda Civic, the Mazda 3, the Toyota Corolla, and the Volkswagen Jetta. We will have to wait a bit longer for the handsome hatchback variant, which Kia says will launch in the US later, possibly for the 2026 model year. What's new for 2025? The K4 is a new nameplate for Kia in North America, and this model replaces the Forte compact car. An electric model called EV4 may also join the lineup later on. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Kia K4 starts at $23,140 and goes up to $29,245 depending on the trim and options. Engine, transmission, and performance. Most K4 models have a 147 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, and a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. When we drove the K4 with this powertrain, we found it offers sluggish acceleration but good refinement. Luckily, Kia is also offering a 190 horsepower turbo 1.6-liter 4 as an upgrade engine. The more powerful engine is exclusive to the GT line turbo trim, and it comes with a conventional 8-speed automatic. The GT line and GT line turbo also come with a more sophisticated multi-link rear suspension, whereas all the other K4s come with a torsion beam setup. During our drive of the GT line turbo model, we found its handling to be competent but not exciting, as it's not as sporty as rivals such as the Honda Civic and Mazda 3. The turbo engine makes the car reasonably quick, but the transmission's reluctance to downshift means the K4 is not as responsive for passing as we'd like. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Kia has kept the K4's interior design clean and simple, with a linear look to the dash. Although there's a large infotainment display, there are also still several physical buttons for controls, which is refreshing, given the auto industry's push to digitize such things. Unfortunately, the available touchscreen that operates the climate controls is easily blocked by the steering wheel. At least the wheel itself is interesting, as it looks different from the wheel in other Kia models and features an offset motor.